Hello friends, the title of the video is Why is India not obliged to Vodafone verdict? India operates under its Domestic Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996. This act does not recognize the global architecture of arbitration. Under the International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, that is ICSID, more than 150 countries are signatories to ICSID. India is instead a member of the less stringent United Nations Commission on International Trade. It is also known as New York Convention. Here too, India has signed on with the caveats. The most important of those is that arbitration award will only apply where the disputes are considered a commercial relation under domestic law. Significantly, India does not recognize the relationship between the tax department and SSC as a commercial relation. The Indian Supreme Court have upheld this logic. Thus, if the terms of treaty are inconsistent with the domestic law, the court will not give effect to the treaty. In 2012, about 5 years after the tax dispute with Vodafone began, Parliament had passed a retrospective law on overseas deal involving Indian assets. The recent foreign arbitration award in the Vodafone case is inconsistent with the current Indian law. So, the Indian government is not obliged to accept the foreign arbitration award of the Vodafone. To conclude, as we are now globally integrated closely, we should follow the global norms or the conventions. Thank you for watching my video.